Hello friends, I'm Dr. Nitro and this is my 8-bomb custom workshop. And today I want to tell you about some parts that I use for my builds and my projects. Most of parts I made myself, but not all parts I can make. And then I need to find a really great replica of parts. And today I want to tell you about ABR-1 bridge replica for Uncles. It's a really best replica of ABR-1 bridge in the world. I can say this while I'm tried every replicas, and I try to make myself replicas, but with ABR-1 bridge I have problem. This is too complicated to make such replica in my workshop, but I can make replica tailpiece replica. It's a aluminium lightweight tailpiece. But today I will tell you about 4 Uncles ABR-1 bridge. I have such bridge in my #1 guitar. This is the beauty, and look to the shape of this bridge. It's really vintage shape and vintage shape of the saddles. And here I have another one ABR-1 bridge for one important project that I make now. I have here my 8-bomb custom 59 clone set, already aged. Here is the pick guard, age 2. This is vintage Gibson knobs from area 59. Really great knobs. Right material, right shape, right color. Really great. So this is pocket chip from area 59. It's a cream shade. Cream. I have here white color shade. It's good too. Yeah, here is my tailpiece. This is thumbs and wheels for Uncles too. I need to try it. I think it's really great sounding parts. So look at the bridge. It's all like in original. This is aged version, and for Uncles has aged this bridge with muriatic acid steam. I saw information about this bridge in internet few years ago, and then Dave Stevens told me that this bridge is really great and I need to try it, but yeah, it was expensive. But now I decided to try it, and this bridge really blew my mind. It's a really the best replica, and it sounds good. Not good, great. I tried to compare with couple originals. I I have sent such bridge to my friend Udo Piper, and he has compared it too with originals. And he said that the sound of ABR-1 bridge from for Uncles he liked better than old originals. I checked some information about this effect, why new replica can sound better than original. And now I know that the alloy SAMAC can age in his structure, and most all vintage SAMAC bridges is old and with broken structure inside. That's why new bridge can sound better than original, and it makes right sound of the 59 Les Paul. So I can say this bridge from for Uncles sound like original new ABR-1 bridge in 1959. So now I will try it on the guitar, on that guitar. This is my new project for one famous musician, and we decided to make a not copy, but we used all that we like together. I'm very like such small cracks, such oxidation in wood, and I have found some ways to make several interesting effects on the wood, on the lacquer, on the rosewood. So yeah, I think that week will be interesting, and in next few days I will assembling this guitar, little bit play and try all parts in that special guitar. So my friends, subscribe for this channel. The full version of this project in several videos series will be published on my Patreon in maker level or in buyer level too, I think. And you can subscribe, support me in Patreon, and watch all my videos, learning videos, tutorials, how to paint guitar, how to relic guitars, and subscribe for this channel. Now I say goodbye to you, but not for long. Rock and roll for all.